13 simple beginner tips about money. For many of us, money is a difficult subject to talk about. We may not like to admit that we don't have as much savings as we'd like, or that we're struggling to make ends meet. However, money is an important part of our lives, and it's important to be honest about our finances. That's why in this video we'll cover 13 simple beginner tips about money. 1. Track spending. By knowing where your money is going, you can make adjustments to ensure that your finances are on track. This doesn't mean that you need to become a penny pincher overnight. Rather, it's about being aware of your spending patterns and making tweaks where needed. For example, if you find that you're spending too much on nights out, you might cut back on going out for drinks and instead focus on cooking at home. Or if you're shelling out too much for car repairs, you might consider trading in your car for a more reliable model. Whatever your financial goals may be, tracking your spending is a helpful way to achieve them. 2. Pay yourself first. The old adage, pay yourself first, is sage advice that can help you achieve financial security. The concept is simple. Each time you receive income, set aside a portion for savings and investment before paying bills or making purchases. By paying yourself first, you prioritize your long-term financial goals over short-term spending needs. This discipline can be difficult to maintain, but it is essential for building wealth over time. One way to make it easier is to set up automatic transfers from your paycheck into a savings or investment account. This way you'll never even see the money and you'll be less tempted to spend it. Paying yourself first may require some adjustments to your budget, but it is a proven strategy for achieving financial security. 3. Utilize a 401k. Employees who are offered a 401k plan through their employer should take advantage of this benefit. A 401k is a retirement savings plan that allows employees to set aside money from their paycheck into a tax-deferred account. Employers may also offer to match a certain percentage of employee contributions. This employer match is essentially free money, so employees should make sure to contribute at least enough to receive the full match. Employees who are not eligible for a 401k should consider other retirement savings options, such as an individual retirement account (IRA). However, a 401k typically offers more flexible withdrawal options and lower fees than an IRA, so it is generally the better choice for employees who are eligible. 4. Pay taxes. Paying taxes is a necessary part of being a responsible citizen. However, it is also important to be smart about how you pay your taxes. There are a number of ways to minimize your tax liability, and it is worth taking the time to learn about them. Some simple strategies include claiming deductions and credits that you are entitled to, and investing in tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401ks. By taking advantage of these opportunities, you can ensure that you are paying your fair share of taxes while also keeping more of your hard-earned money. 5. Utilize the stock market. Many people view the stock market as a risky investment, but with the right strategy, it can be a safe and profitable way to grow your money. One of the key benefits of investing in stocks is that it offers the potential for high returns. Over time, the stock market has consistently outperformed other investments such as bonds and real estate. In addition, stocks are a liquid investment, which means that you can easily buy and sell shares without incurring large fees. Finally, by diversifying your portfolio across different sectors and industries, you can minimize your risk and maximize your chances of success. When done correctly, investing in stocks can be a great way to build your wealth over time. 6. Have an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is important for many reasons. It can help you cover unexpected expenses in a pinch, and can also provide a buffer if you experience a loss of income. Additionally, having an emergency fund can help you avoid going into debt if an unexpected bill pops up. 7. Pay credit card balance. There are a few key reasons to pay off your credit card balance in full every month. First, it saves you money on interest charges. When you carry a balance, you are charged interest on that balance. The higher your interest rate, the more you will pay in interest charges. Second, paying off your balance in full every month shows creditors that you are a responsible borrower. This can help you qualify for lower interest rates in the future. Finally, paying off your balance in full every month helps you avoid late fees and other penalties. These fees can add up quickly and they can damage your credit score. 8. Don't save too much. They say that a penny saved is a penny earned. And while it's important to be financially responsible, there is such a thing as saving too much money. When you sit on large amounts of savings, you're missing out on opportunities to grow your money. For example, you could be investing in a high-yield savings account or in stocks and mutual funds that have the potential to provide you with significant returns. In addition, by hoarding your money, you're also missing out on the opportunity to enjoy life experiences and create memories that are worth more than any amount of money. So, while it's important to be mindful of your finances, don't let your fear of spending prevent you from living your best life. 9. Pay off high-interest debt. Anyone who has ever been in debt knows that it can be a difficult cycle to break. Once you start accruing interest, it can quickly become hard to keep up with payments, leading to even more debt. That's why financial experts recommend paying off high-interest debt first. By targeting accounts with the highest interest rates, you'll save money in the long run and be able to pay off your debt more quickly. Additionally, by chipping away at your debt balance, you'll begin to see progress, which can provide motivation to keep going. 10. Don't compare. Lifestyle creep, also known as keeping up with the Joneses, is a dangerous trap that can lead to financial ruin. It happens when people allow their lifestyle to gradually become more and more expensive, often without even realizing it. That new car or bigger house may seem like a great idea at first, but the monthly payments can quickly become unmanageable. And as people's lifestyles become more expensive, they often find themselves working longer hours and taking on more debt just to keep up. Lifestyle creep can be especially dangerous during periods of economic uncertainty, when job loss or other financial setbacks can quickly turn a comfortable lifestyle into a struggle to make ends meet. So beware of lifestyle creep. It's a silent enemy that can destroy your finances if you're not careful. 11. Multiple credit cards. One of the main advantages of having multiple credit cards is that it can increase your credit score. This is because each credit card you have represents a line of credit that is being reported to the credit bureaus. Therefore, having multiple credit cards can give you a higher credit score, which can save you money on interest rates in the long run. In addition, having multiple credit cards can also provide a safety net in case of financial emergencies. 12. Practice patience. The process of making money is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time, focus, and consistency to generate wealth. Anyone who tells you otherwise is likely trying to sell you something. The road to riches is paved with hard work, not get-rich-quick schemes. While there's no denying that some people strike it rich quickly, the vast majority of self-made millionaires reach their level of success through years of patient grinding. They invest their time wisely, always seeking out new opportunities for growth. They don't allow themselves to get sidetracked by distractions or discouraged by setbacks. Instead, they stay the course and let their compound interest work its magic. Over time, their dedication pays off in a big way. So if you're serious about making money, be prepared to put in the hard work and be patient for the long haul. It might not happen overnight, but it will happen if you stay focused and committed. 13. Get insured. No one likes to think about the possibility of accidents or disasters, but the truth is that they can happen at any time. That's why it's so important to make sure that you're always insured. Whether it's your car, your home, your health, or your life, insurance provides vital protection in the event of an emergency. It can help you to cover the cost of repairs or medical bills, and it can give you peace of mind in knowing that you and your loved ones are taken care of. Well, there you have it. We hope you benefited from these 13 beginner money tips. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to see more of our videos. Peace.